Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Lot of top stories lined up over the next half an hour. First, a quick check of the headlines. One killed and 7 others injured in a Russian drone strike on Zaporizhia in Ukraine. Attack causes fires in residential buildings and damage to civilian infrastructure, with rescue efforts briefly disrupted due to strike threats. Israeli forces carry out airstrikes in several areas in South Lebanon, including Nabatia al-Fawqa and Kafar Tebnith, despite peace deal involving Lebanon in wider West Asia conflict. A drone strike also launched on Ansariye town. US government reveals in legal filing that Grok developed by XAI was used in military strikes against Iran. Case involves lawsuit targeting XAI's data center, with Justice Department warning that it could potentially impact national and military-related AI operations. US restores name of US Indo-Pacific Command to US Pacific Command, reversing 8-year-old change. War Department says move honors its historical roots, established in 1947, with the command covering region from US West Coast to India's western border. After France and UK, Poland is set to sign defence deal with Germany in Warsaw, marking 35 years since Treaty of Good Neighbourship deal comes as Poland strengthens security ties with European allies amid the Russia-Ukraine war. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni and Prime Minister Narendra Modi share a light-hearted exchange at the G7 summit, which goes viral. Meloni jokes that they are the most famous couple on Instagram during their interaction before the group photo. Speaking at WION's Health Pulse Summit, experts assert that India should now shift focus from production capacity to innovation to stay ahead of curve. China's central bank signals a shift towards an overnight rate-focused policy framework aiming to improve monetary transmission and market guidance. The move suggests a gradual evolution in tools as authorities seek greater control over short-term liquidity and borrowing costs.